How to see your password on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, on the Snapchat application on your device, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top left corner and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner yet again. Now scroll down and tap on password. So here it says, in order to set a new password, please enter your current password first. But since we want to see our password, we do not have any options over here. So we're going to go back and launch any of the Gmail applications over here that will have access to managing our Google account. So I'm going to go for Google Play Store and make sure that you have associated or logged into the same account that you have associated with Snapchat account. So tap on the profile at the top right corner of the screen over here and then tap on Manage your Google account. So as you tap on Manage your Google account, simply swipe left and tap on Security. Now scroll down to the very end and here you can see the option of Password Manager. So tap on Password Manager and scroll down, and here you need to be able to see the option of Snapchat where you can see your password. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.